Gemini app on Mac now has lots of new features. The Speak to Window feature was introduced in July 2026. It allows users to hold the FN key or shortcuts to dictate text, refine active selections, generate images, or issue screen-aware commands directly into any target application. Gemini users on Mac will now be able to talk to the AI chatbot from any window on their computer with a single key press.
Gemini, summarize this document into 100 words.
The 3-page PDF document is summarized into 100 words by pressing a single key without uploading the document. Watch until the end of this video to see many more new features in Gemini on Mac. The microphone icon dictates standard voice-to-text directly into the prompt box. There's also a new Speak to Window icon that triggers an active voice prompt targeted specifically at analyzing the contents of your active screen window. Open one or more documents in another window. Click the Speak to Window icon, tell Gemini what you need, and click the Send button when you are ready. On-screen context extraction. The native Gemini app from macOS uses macOS system permissions, specifically screen recording and accessibility/OCR capabilities, to analyze and interact with open windows on your desktop. No file upload required. You do not need to manually drag, drop, or upload a file into the Gemini app interface. Active window/screen context. Gemini can analyze content visible on your screen, such as an open PDF, code editor, browser page, or document, by using system shortcuts. Gemini, give me 3 main bullet points from the highlighted section. Open your document in any application and highlight the exact text section you want to analyze using your cursor. Click the Speak to Window icon in your Gemini window. Click on your active document window so Gemini knows which application screen to focus on. Speak your request clearly. Click the Send/Submit button to process the audio prompt against the visible selection on your screen. Let's use the Speak to Window option in Gemini to prepare a draft email for a dinner reservation. Create a new email, click Speak to Window icon, and start taking. Click the up arrow to load the prompt. Gemini, I need to draft an email for a team dinner of 10 leaving for Moscow Center, SF. Recommend 3 Italian restaurants within 3 miles where the average spend per person, including a drink or tip, is around $100. Ensure the locations can realistically accommodate group reservations. Under each restaurant heading, include 5 appetizers, 5 main courses, and 5 desserts. Present the response as a polished internal email draft. Look at the details of the email. The voice prompt and the response is also stored in the Gemini history, in case if you need. This is a working Python application. Let us create an error by removing the closing bracket in the payload. Run the application and generate an error. Open Gemini, press the shortcut key for Speak to Window, and start talking.
Look at the stack trace in my terminal window on the bottom. Refactor this selected code to handle that specific edge case, and auto-format as clean Python code.
Gemini has fixed the error by adding the closing bracket, and the application is working now. Gemini also stores your voice prompt, the screenshot of the error, and the code fix in the history. You can create a shortcut for Speak to Window. I am using Option plus spacebar. You can instantly query external documents, code, or web pages without needing to save, export, or attach files directly into the chat interface. Allows you to interact with active desktop applications in real time without context switching or breaking your focus. Captures the current visible state of your target application window, combining visual layout and text content so Gemini understands exact references on your screen. Combines voice prompting with screen context, letting you ask complex questions naturally without typing out long prompts explaining what you're looking at. If this workflow helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells me exactly what kind of tutorials you want to see next, and it keeps this channel going.